So now we're going to talk about how you needle the supraspinatus. Again, my disclaimer, if you do not proceed any further, if you're not properly certified in your state or in your country. So dry needling, the cool thing about the supraspinatus, incredibly safe. You are protected by the scapula below, remembering that the muscle sits in a little groove in the scapula and it runs all the way down. If, however, you go beyond the edge of the scapula, this protection disappears. And if you then go in, you're going to puncture somebody's lung. So be quite sure of the edge of the scapula, feel where the spine is, and if you deviate towards the spine, you're going to be safe. The spine of the scapula as not the spine of the body. So I feel, find the tender spot, know exactly where it is, put my introducer directly over it, drop the needle down the introducer, tap it. It's now in the skin and under the skin, and then I feel on either side. I progress the needle down until I feel needle grasp, I feel a little twitch, or he says ouch. If he feels a tiny little electric shock, then I'm exactly on the trigger. If he feels an ache, I'm very, very close. At that point, I rotate the needle to increase needle grasp and increase the intensity of the effect of the needle. I leave it in for 10 minutes.